Okay, so this is a two-step problem. I'm going to be showing you how to do a two-step addition problem. So the visualization and answer statement pieces are the only ones that you'll do once. Representation, plan, solve, justify are the pieces that you'll do 2 times. So I'm going to start off by reading the problem and highlighting or underlining the things that are important. Okay, so we're just going to read the problem. The playground had 45 soccer balls on the field. Second graders kicked 18 balls over the fence. Then Coach Meester bought 27 new soccer balls. How many balls are there now? Okay, so we're going to think about what we know first. What do we know? The playground had 45 soccer balls. Okay, so I'm thinking in my head, if they have 45 soccer balls, what's that going to be? That's going to be our total. That's what we're starting with. Okay, then second graders kicked 18 balls over the fence. So they kicked them. So, when you're visualizing, you're kicking the balls over the fence. They're gone. They've left us. The balls are going away. Okay, so that's going to be a part. Okay. Then Coach Meester, so nice of him, bought 27 new soccer balls. He bought 27 new soccer balls. So now we're adding 27 new soccer balls. So that's another part. How many balls are there now? Okay. So we had some that went away. Then he bought some more. So we are looking at a two-step problem. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to visualize. Okay, so do number 1, and we're going to do start, change, result. Okay, so we are starting with 45. Okay, so you had 45 soccer balls. Then the second graders kicked 18 balls over. 18 balls over. So what happened first? They kicked them over. So we're subtracting 45 minus 18. Then Coach Meester bought 27 new soccer balls. Now we're adding. So 27 is another change. Now we want to know how many there are total. Okay, so our visualization piece is done. We're going to check that off. Now we're going to representation. Remember, representation, we're going to have 2 different representations. So we're going to look at draw our part whole, strip diagram. So 18 kicked out. Okay, and we want to know what is left, and we're starting with 45, so that's actually going to go in our total. That's going to go in our whole part of it. So that's going to be total soccer balls. Because we're trying to subtract. So we are trying to find out how many are left after 18 were kicked out. So we would do 45 minus 18. So our answer statement is going to be, we want to know, remember, just one answer statement. We want to know, we're just putting the 3 up there, but we want to know how many balls there are now. Okay, so that's our answer statement for the whole problem. blank balls there are now. How many are left? Okay, so now we're going to go to plan. I'm going to restate our number sentence, which is going to be 45 minus 18, okay, and equals blank balls, what was her name? There are now. So remember, all I did is I am copying the visualization piece because we're doing half the problem right now. So we're just doing 45 minus 18. So I copied it again, equals to, and I'm copying the answer statement. Blank balls there are now. That's it for plan. Now I'm going to go to solve. So I'm going to solve the problem. So I'm going to restate the number sentence, and I'm going to solve it. Remember, I'm going to do pictorial model. That is the easiest one to do. 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now I'm going to think to myself, can I take 8 away from 5? No, I cannot. So I need to regroup. I have 2 less. I'm going to regroup. I'm going to regroup that 10 into 10 ones. Okay, now can I take 8 away from 15? Yes, I can. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7. Can I take 1 away from 3? Yes, I can. And I have 2 left, 27. But wait, we are not done, right? We have to still do the justify piece, and then we're going to go and we're doing the second problem to do. So I'm still doing that justify piece of I'm going to check my work before I do the second half of it. It's really important, checking your work. So I'm going to write this problem in standard form. So 45 minus 18. Can I do 5 minus 8? Can I take 5 away from 8? No, I cannot. So I'm going to go next door and I'm going to regroup. So that 4 becomes a 3. I'm adding that 10 over. I'm regrouping that 10 into 10 units. And exactly what we did here in pictorial model. And I'm going to add 5 plus 10, which is 15. Okay, and 15 minus 8 is 7. And then 3 minus 1 is 2. And did I get the same answer? Yes, I did. I'm good to go. Now I'm going to go to step of the problem. So remember, I did the visualization piece. I did representation. I did my answer statement. I did my plan. I did my solve. I did my justify for the first part. Now we're going to do, we've already done visualization. Now we're going to do representation again. And then we'll draw another check because, again, we're representing the second part of the problem. Okay, so now I am going to solve. I'm going to put, or not solve, I'm sorry. I'm going to do the part whole. Okay. So now I am going to add, okay? 45 minus 18 is 27. Now I'm going to do 27 plus 27 to find my result. So, again, that's a part because now we have 27 balls left, right? Because we were trying to find what was left. So balls left, that's our label. And then Coach Meester bought 27, he bought new. Okay, so now we're trying to find balls there are now. Okay, so that's my second representation. I've already did my answer statement, blank balls there are now. So I'm good to go. So my representation piece is done. I'm going to do another check for that. Now I'm going to do my plan. Remember, the plan is going to be our number sentence, our visualization piece repeated again. So 27, right? 27 plus 27. 27 plus 27 equals blank balls left. Or I'm sorry, not left. Blank balls there are now. Okay, that's our plan. That's it. Now, check that off for plan. Now we're going to do solve. Okay, so 27 plus 27. We're going to do a pictorial model. That's my go-to strategy for all of them. Doesn't matter if it's addition or subtraction. Pictorial model is like the best way to do this. It's the easiest because you can see the numbers moving in real time, and so it's a great way to do it. And then doing standard, because that's a way to check yourself. So we're doing both numbers, right? Because we're adding, our numbers getting bigger. So we have 2 10s and then 7 1s, 5 6 7. Then we have same number again. Okay, now we're going to add up our ones. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Oh no, we have too much, so we need to regroup. Okay, the highest number you can have in the ones place is a 9. So we're going to circle all of our ones up to a 10. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Regroup that 10 into 110. Now I have 4 ones left, and 1 2 3 4 5 tenths. Okay, 5 10s, 4 ones. All right, I've done my solve. Now I'm going to do my justify. Remember, I'm checking my work. Okay, so 27 plus 27. So 7 plus 7, 14. I'm going to put that 4 down, carry over that 1, regroup that 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 54 balls there are now. Same thing. Balls there are now. Okay. Here I should have put 27 left, because that's what we were solving for. 27 left. 27 left. Or 27 balls left. So important to put labels so you know what you're solving for. So 54 balls there are now. So then I'm going to put that number right there. And then that's my answer. So this is how you go through a whole 2-step problem for addition. And this is, and I forgot to check it off. Justified. I've done twice. And then this is how you would do it for a 1-step. So as you can see, it's a lot of work, but it pays off that you're doing all of the steps in the checklist. And when you do those things, it helps you to be confident about the work that you're doing. Please reach out. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions, and I will attach the answer key to the email as well.